Hello everyone, welcome to Best T-shirt Designs. Today I am going to make a very basic T-shirt design, and I am going to make this for one of my clients. So I hope you will not copy this one. And this is just to show you guys because I shared a video where I am showing that where I told you to make a design from an image like using pen tool, and I'm getting some comments like that can be copyrighted. So basically there are tons of different images like this. So I want to make a dinosaur design. So here I was searching like dinosaur silhouettes. So you can see there is thousands of them, and if I am going to take this one, I took this one already. So how can you make this design, or whoever make this design, did they draw it? So let me show you. This is the original design, that is the png image. Like this is obviously not someone is drawing this for making that silhouette. So someone is just taking that image from here. Like this is the original image they are taking, and then they are making the drawing with pen tool. So you can obviously do the same here. That's why you can, that's how you will be able to keep all the details you want. Like in this one the details are kind of missing something. So that's how you can do this, or this is the way people are making silhouettes. Like whoever is making a silhouette like this, they are not hand drawing these designs, they are taking a reference and then making a design out of it. Anyway, so you can do it like that, or you can just take a, like you can try to make a hand drawing, then sketch it and then make a silhouette of it. That is fine. So this one here, basically I'm going to make it something like this. In this situation, kind of Mama Soros, I'm going to use this text for today's video in this way. Now I don't want to just place it here like this, I want to do some modifications. So first step is I'm going to select them, then I'm going to, okay, maybe I will take Muthiara demo. Sorry, this is a demo font I have right now. And not demo font, I manage that from a website called Font SQL. You can download it from there. So I'm going to place it something kind of this in this situation. Now it is not perfectly fitting in my design. Okay, so as you can see here, like if I want to place it here in this direction, or I want to fill some areas, there is two different way you can do this. You can take the envelope distort and mesh option, or you can take just this text that is called touch type tool, and then you can modify the text placement like this. For applying the, like this touch type tool, you have to press shift T, or you will get the shortcut here in this type panel. This is the touch type tool, and with this touch type tool you can individually select any letter you want. So if here I want it there, in this one I want it here, this one I want to make it a bit up so that it's inside my design area, kind of this. So as you can see, this is how you can easily modify your design. And the most important part is this text is already editable. Like this is not broken. I can just break them like this, right click and then create outline, then I can individually move each object wherever I want it to be. But then I cannot edit my font, like I cannot change my font. But in this situation I do change that, I can change that. Let me say I'm going to use this font for my this text here right now I can do it. Like I'm working for a client, so if he is going to ask for a revision or something like that, if he is not liking the font, I have all the option to change my font. Now all I have to do is I have to just modify this text position like this. And there is one more important setting with this touch type tool, that is you can always, like if I select this one, it is not showing anything. If I select this one, it will show me some options. Like here this one if I select this, it is going to give me this options, like these are called alternative text. So whenever we are selecting a font like this or a letter like this, it is going to give us a option that is called the alternative text. So that's how I can simply use my, like if I select this S, it is not showing up. If I select this U, it is showing up the option of the U. Now it is looking more like W, but that's not the problem. So you can always choose the alternates of the font here, and for some font, like if I select my this font, this is not showing me any options like that. That means this font does not support alternative text, but this one does, and that's why it is showing me those options. So that is also something will be useful for you. And not only this, I can rotate this text like this. I can modify the placement of the text. That is really useful. Of course, let's say if I use this one, how is this one looking? Okay, not too bad, I think. And then of course, if I am feeling like I need to do some changes, I can do that. Now for filling the areas, I am going to take a ellipse here. This is going to be a custom brush, basically nothing else. So let's say I'm going to make a art brush here, and then click OK. I don't need this one anymore. Let's press delete. Now if I press brush and then take this brush tool in my, like pressing B, I can simply draw some lines like this. These are just to fill the area here, because this is a font and there is some empty space here. We can always fill those, like not empty space. This is just to make our design a little more fancy than just placing text. So let's say I'm going to do some outline for my this dinosaur here. That's why it will be like, I will not get any kind of copyright problems, because this is just some random idea. Okay, this is not the perfect way to do this. I am just decorating the dinosaur here, kind of this. That is fine. Let's say I want to do it for my this leg area, and then another one here. Okay guys, so this is just to, here the brush size I can make it smaller, kind of this. Then if I press brush again, it is going to give me that size brush, that is smaller brush. And then of course I can again change the size of it. Whichever size I will take, it will be kind of that size from the rest. And then if I want to do modifications here, I can always change the brushes here. And now, so whatever I am doing here is basically drawing the image here. Now this is a font, this is a font, so it is like if I break them, that is fine. So if I select it all like this, then press shift and click here to deselect my dinosaur, then everything else is selected here. Now let's expand them and make them a group. So whatever I am doing here is I am basically making this to different group. Now if this is a kind of, this is now black and white both color. If I take a kind of red background for it, Ctrl X Ctrl B, this is going to look like this. So if I want to do it in a different way, so I can select this white layer group, Ctrl X to cut it. And then if I select my this dinosaur, open transparency for it, press Ctrl F, and then I have to make it black. So black will make it transparent, as you can see. Now whichever color I will set for my, like I will take for my brush, sorry, for my t-shirt, it will be see-through. So if my shirt color is green, it is going to look like this. If my shirt color is red, it is going to look like this, because this is really like this will be really one color design, no other color here, only black, or even I can make it white. So whatever I will make it, that will not change the details of my design. Like say if I make it a dark green color, it will be easy to make, it will be easy to make it visible on white. And then if I select it, I can make it black, of course. So this will be the perfect one color design, and I hope this one will give you some idea how to make this kind of designs. And something about the making silhouette images, so you can make your own images like this. That's all for today's video guys. I hope this will help you, and don't keep asking me if you can work like this for client or not. No, you cannot work like this for a client, but this one is kind of different design. There will be thousands of tons of different dinosaur vectors out there, so you can take one, and this is the customization I am making to make my design unique than the tons of thousands of other designs out there. So for some cases you can take them like this. Like if you want a dog silhouette, you can take a dog silhouette from online. If you want a palm tree, you can take it from online. But if you want a skull kind of riding motorcycle, you cannot take it just from randomly from anywhere else. So I hope this will help you guys. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video, guys. Have a great time.